Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angels Stamping. In this video, I am doing a little kitchen organization. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment. I do answer all my comments back. Also, if you're a new subscriber, please click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified on all my new videos. Thanks for watching, and now let's get into the video. Here's how this area turned out. I thank y'all for watching, and if you want to see what I did with the top drawer, that is in another video. You can go back and watch that if you haven't seen it already. I had put my spices in that drawer, so you can see that up in the cards. I'll place that video or underneath. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a very blessed day. See you again soon.